Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to calculate percentage increase in Google Sheets. Perfect for tracking sales growth, price changes, or performance improvements. Here we have some sample data. We want to calculate the percentage change from old to new. Let's use the percentage increase formula. In C1, type percent change. In C2, enter this formula, and you will find it in the description below. Press Enter. Then, drag the formula down. Format the column as percent. What this formula means: subtract the old value from the new value. Divide by the old value. Do you notice? Positive equals increase. Negative equals decrease. Alternative formula, cleaner version. You can also use same result. Slightly shorter, important. If you see a decimal like 0.30, just format the cell as percent. Bonus, show increase only. If you only want increases, no negatives. Use this formula and we get no negatives. That's it. Percentage increase in seconds. Formula is in the description. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more Sheet tips.